Hello everyone, I'm here today with Mainline Plumbing and Drain to discuss leaky garbage disposals. If you're wondering, why is my garbage disposal leaking? We can help. There's a few common culprits to garbage disposal leaks, and we can help you identify them. Turn on the water in your sink and then check underneath to see if you can pinpoint where the leak is coming from. This will help you get a better idea of what the problem is. If the leak is coming from the top of the garbage disposal unit, it's likely a bad rubber seal or gasket. The rubber gasket can develop cracks from dryness or get food particles stuck in it that will cause leaks. Luckily, this part is pretty easy to replace, and you can even do it yourself. If the leak is coming from one of the pipe connections, you may have loose connectors. This is a common problem with an easy fix. Check the connectors between your disposal and the drain pipe, as well as the dishwasher hose. If any of these connectors are loose, you can tighten them with a wrench. If your sink is backing up, you might have a clogged drain. When the drain pipe is clogged, water can back up into the garbage disposal and into the sink. Use a drain snake to try to dislodge the obstruction and see if that solves the leak. And lastly, if the leak is coming from the housing of the garbage disposal unit, you likely have a damaged unit. All appliances break at some point, and it's not uncommon for old garbage disposal units to develop cracks in the housing. Unfortunately, these are not easy to repair, and you will likely need to replace the unit entirely. If you've checked all of these things and you still can't figure out the problem, it might be time to call a professional. Luckily, we at Mainline Plumbing and Drain are happy to help. We've been serving Western Washington for many years and have fixed many a leaky garbage disposal. For more information or to book an appointment, visit our website at mainlineplumbing.com. Thank you.